Hello everyone, if your WhatsApp shows please wait a moment. App maintains in progress. Don't worry, this problem is easy to fix. See the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the apps option and now search here WhatsApp and tap on the WhatsApp. Now click on the force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now click on the storage and clear cache and clear data, delete the data. Okay, go back and now permission option and allow all permission, call logs allow, camera allow, contacts allow, microphone, music and audio, nearby device, notifications, phone, photos and videos, SMS. Okay, allow all permission. Okay, go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connected. Okay, go back. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to your Play Store and now search your WhatsApp app and check update your WhatsApp app. My WhatsApp app already updated. Okay, go back and open your WhatsApp and see. I hope your problem has been solved. Successful WhatsApp loading problem or please wait problem solved. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.